A Datacolor Spyder Pro.
On the second day of the holidays, the Slanted lens gave to me
2 Tamron lenses and a Datacolor Spyder Pro.
On the third day of the holidays, the Slanted lens gave to me 3
SKB cases and a Datacolor Spyder Pro.
On the fourth day of the holidays, the Slanted lens gave to me
A Hollyland Mark 400, 3 SKB cases and a Datacolor Spyder Pro.
On the fifth day of the holidays, the Slanted lens gave to me
All these awesome things from Gnarbox. That's it. 400, 3 SKB cases, 2 and a Datacolor Spyder Pro.
On the sixth day of the holidays, the Slanted lens gave to me
Platypod bundles.
and
Oh, stuff. There's cool stuff from Gnarbox. Hollyland 400, 3 SKB cases, 2 Tamron lenses, and a Datacolor Spyder Pro.
We got it, keep going. On the seventh day of the holidays, the Slanted lens gave to me
Cool stuff from Litra.
3 platypod
Oh,
bundles.
no. Oh, this is cool. Gnarbox. Hollyland 500, 3 SKB cases,
2 Tamron
and lenses,
and a
Datacolor Spyder Pro.
On the eighth day of the holidays, the Slanted lens gave to me
3 Vanguard tripods, cool stuff from Litra, 3 tripod bundles, all this cool things from Gnarbox.
Hollyland Mars 400,
100
3 SKB cases, 2 Tamron lenses, and a
Datacolor Spyder Pro.
On the ninth day of the holidays, the Slanted lens gave to me
2 Godox lights,
3 Vanguard tripods, full stuff from Litra, 3 platypod bundles, and all these awesome things from
Gnarbox.
Hollyland Mars
400
3
SKB cases.
2 Tamron lenses, and a
Gotta just keep going.
Datacolor Spyder Pro. On the 10th day of the holidays, the Slanted lens gave to me Kobra
Flash modifiers, 2 Godox lights, 3 Vanguard tripods, so stuff from Litra, this Gnarbox. Oh, this one's for 100 SKB cases, lenses, Datacolor Spyder Pro.
On the 11th day of the holidays, the Slanted lens gave to me
2 Valera green screens,
Kobra flash
Wires.
modifiers, 2 Godox lights, 3 Vanguard tripods, cool stuff from Litra, 3 platypod bundles, and all these awesome things from
Gnarbox.
Hollyland Mars 400, 3 SKB cases, 2 Tamron lenses, and a Datacolor Spyder
Pro.
On the 12th day of the holidays, the Slanted lens gave to me
Richard Photolab gift cards,
2 Valera green screens, Kobra flash modifier kits, 2 Godox lights, 3 Vanguard tripods, cool stuff from Litra, 3 platypod bundles, and all these awesome things from
Gnarbox.
A Hollyland Mars
400
3
SKB cases,
2 Tamron lenses,
lenses,
and a Datacolor Spyder
Pro.
On the 10th day of the holidays, the Slanted lens gave to me
Lume Cube and panel, 2
Photolab gift cards, 2 Valera green screens, Kobra flash modifier kits, 2 Godox lights, 3 Vanguard tripods, cool stuff from Litra, 3 platypod bundles, and all these awesome things from Gnarbox.
box,
A Hollyland Mars
400
3 SKB cases, 2 Tamron lenses, and a Datacolor Spyder
Pro. Woo!
14th day of the holidays, the Slanted lens gave to me. You ready for it? An Edelkrone slider, Lume Cube lighting panel, Richard Photolab gift card, 2 Valera green keys, Kobra flash modifier kits, 2 Godox
Pro. It's a mega giveaway here from the Slanted Lens. Go over to theslanted.com/giveaway and sign up today. There's a lot of ways to win, so get over there. It's over $10,000 worth of stuff. All this cool stuff. So happy holidays, and I hope you win.